Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025. And now we are here to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has categorized Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let us examine the stock's performance over this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of over 52% since we initially recommended buying Palantir 13 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 4% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken its significant and robust short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger upward trajectory. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the recently breached trend, specifically at $94.50. This level may present a second opportunity for a strong upward move. According to fan theory, $116.67 could be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 37.91% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 10.35% to positive 17.12%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a remarkable 232.76% change over the next year, with potential returns between 67.01% and 167.28%. This corresponds to a price range of $185.85 to $297.43 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Palantir Stock Price on Thursday, moving between 100 and 0.26 and 111 and 0.50. The Palantir stock price gained 7.9% on the last trading day, Thursday, 6th of February, 2025, rising from 101 and 0.36 to 111 and 0.28. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.21%, with a day low at 100 and 0.26 and a day high of 111 and 0.50. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 40.9% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 35 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 125 million shares bought and sold for approximately $13.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 111 and 0.50, and the lowest price was 20 and 0.33. Currently, the price is 0.2% or $0.22 below the 52-week high of 111 and 0.50, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, or PLTR, has recently experienced a remarkable upward trend, with shares rising nearly 35% year-to-date. On February 6th, the stock surged almost 8% during trading, following a series of positive performances that included an all-time high of $106 after its impressive fourth-quarter earnings report on February 3rd. Analysts are predicting that Palantir will surpass its guidance for 2025, anticipating an extraordinary 46% year-over-year revenue growth. This optimism is supported by factors such as the company's strategic position within the operational artificial intelligence application market. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, Palantir is recognized as a key player, poised for significant advancements through its powerful reasoning AI capabilities. Insider trading alerts and the involvement of major exchange-traded funds accumulating Palantir stock highlight the increasing institutional interest, which in turn boosts confidence among retail investors. However, while the company currently stands out, some analysts warn against becoming complacent, emphasizing the competitive landscape that could influence long-term valuation. In the short term, this momentum may attract additional buyers, pushing prices higher, but the market remains vigilant regarding potential technology bubbles and valuation concerns that could temper enthusiasm. Overall, if Palantir can sustain its growth trajectory, it may solidify its position and continue to shape market dynamics in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating and recommended a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital rated PLTR as underperform and also suggested a hold action. Again, on February 4th, 2025, Jefferies provided a similar rating of underperform for PLTR, recommending a hold action. Prior to that, on Friday, January 31st, 2025, Morgan Stanley indicated a cautious stance on PLTR, opting for a downgrade action. Earlier still, on Thursday, January 23rd, 2025, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform while suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the lines at $91.95 and $78.21. A drop below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13th, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 71.25%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price increase is viewed as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 171 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 159 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume around 103.83 and 101.36. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could decline to the next support level. In this instance, Palantir's support is just below today's level at 103.83. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume would be at 101.36 and 83.74. The stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.24 between its high and low, representing an increase of 11.21%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.92%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's review some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A significantly elevated PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts are estimating earnings at 11 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to guide your decision on when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $103.83. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Moore Alexander D., who bought and sold 19,200 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 22.336. In total, insiders purchased 13,426,469 shares and sold 21,148,195 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $107.67, reflecting a decrease of 3.24%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, resulting in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, which considerably heightens that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buying recommendation. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors might choose to maintain or accumulate their positions while waiting for further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we expect Palantir to open lower, decreasing by $3.60, starting at $107.68. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Decisions regarding investments should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest.